What causes hair loss? There are the different reasons and categories for hair loss in male and female, for example hormonal imbalances, autoimmune disease, nutritional deficiency, genetics, stress, fungal conditions of the scalp, pattern baldness and so on. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Thanks and God bless. So the question is it possible to regrow your hair? The answer is yes. So here are the 15 magic herbs that will make your hair grow faster. 1. Peppermint. 2. Lavender. 3. Aloe vera. 4. Hibiscus. 5. Rosemary. 6. Brinegry. 7. Amla. 8. Fenugreek. 9. Neem. 10. Asian ginseng. 11. Acacia cancina. 12. Moringa. 13. Henna. 14. Retha. 15. Burdock. How to use the herbs. So I'm going to tell you how to use some of the herbs. How to use moringa oil. 1. Mix 2 parts of moringa oil with 1 part of argan oil. 2. Massage this oil blend onto the scalp. 3. Apply it to the hair strands. 4. Wear a shower cap and wait for 30 minutes. 5. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. 6. Do this twice a week. Next is peppermint oil. How to use peppermint oil. 1. Mix 2 drops of peppermint oil and 10 milliliters of coconut oil. 2. Massage this oil blend onto your scalp. 3. Wear a shower cap and wait for 30 minutes. 4. Wash your hair with shampoo. 5. Do this twice a week. Next is shikakami. How to use shikakami. 1. Soak 10 grams of shikakami, 10 grams of retha, and 5 grams of amla in 750 milliliters of water overnight. 2. Boil the water in the morning. 3. Mash the ingredients and strain the liquid. 4. Use this liquid as a hair mask, hair tonic, or shampoo. 5. Do this at least once a week. Next is Brinegry. Brinegry modulates the hair follicle growth cycle, reduces hair fall, and increases hair growth. How to use Brinegry. 1. Mix 2 parts of Brinegry oil with 2 parts of castor oil. 2. Massage the oil mixture onto the scalp in circular motions and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash off. Next is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are loaded with B vitamins, antioxidants, saponins, and flavonoids that help boost hair thickness and volume. How to use fenugreek. 1. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and drink the water in the morning. 2. Alternatively, you can make a paste of fenugreek seeds soaked in water and apply it directly to the scalp. 3. Wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo once dry. Next is amla. Amla is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and polyphenols that make hair soft and shiny. How to use amla. Massage your scalp with a mixture of 3 to 4 sliced amlas and water. Wash your hair after 20 minutes. Do this once a week. Next is retha. Retha has antifungal and antibacterial properties that make the hair soft, shiny, and manageable, and prevent bacterial and fungal infections. How to use retha. 1. Boil the fleshy part of retha in water. 2. Let the water reduce to half and allow the solution to cool down. 3. Strain the solution and use it as shampoo. Next is henna. Henna is a natural coloring agent that induces hair growth and shine and fights alopecia by reducing androgen levels. How to use. 1. Soak 8 teaspoons of henna in water overnight. 2. Add juice of half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the